you could leave people with a single message, a single call to action, what would that be?
It would be for the Congress of the United States immediately to set up a committee, bipartisan, to hear witnesses who want to tell the truth and are willing to tell the truth, but all they need is an amnesty from the National Security Act, because otherwise, if they did that, their lives might be endangered, certainly their pensions would be in danger, and they would have other penalties which would prohibit them from telling the truth. And they have to have an environment where they can say exactly what they want to say and exactly what the facts are. And if they do that, then I think the Congress will take the necessary steps to end the problem, or to mitigate it to the point that the planned New World Order, as it is presently conceived, will not happen.